Just a quick follow-up on a reel we did not too long ago on going grain-free and why we're going to do it, and then how to get back to normal. So point to today's video. Hey, it's Dr. Toger, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and a few weeks ago, I suggested going grain-free to get rid of the inflammation in your body. That set the world on fire just a little bit, and I want to clarify. In my opinion, grain-free for eternity would definitely get rid of the majority of your inflammation and therefore would definitely prevent a number of human illnesses as published in the literature from one of the premier scientists who study celiac disease, the effects of wheat and grains that contain lectins that are gluten-like in their nature. Okay, so there is science behind the comment that I am making. You should be gluten-free and consider grain-free. Now, some people got to have the grains. Everyone was all in uproar about the grains. As a clarification, number one, potatoes, turnips, rubers of some sort, chickpeas, lentils, legumes, these things are not grains. Okay, yeah, they're carbohydrate and they're protein-based, but they're not grains. Okay, so you can have your complex carbohydrates and eat them too. I didn't say go on a low-carb diet. What if oats are your favorite thing? That's your go-to. You've had oatmeal your entire life. Okay, what I'm going to suggest is this. If you've got a medical disease and you want to clean up that disease, get off some of the medicines, maybe not go on to medicines, maybe lower the dose of the medicines they have you on, a grain-free diet for a 3 to 6 month period of time is going to do you some good. Okay, base your life on Mediterranean style, fruit, veggies, olive oil, fish. If you're going to do red meat, do lamb, and make sure all these things are wild sourced, grass-fed, that sort of thing. You can do it vegetarian if you'd like to. After a 3 to 6 month period of time, slowly introduce the foods of your choice back into your life. And by slowly, I mean very small servings, every other day, one type at a time. And each of those types gets introduced over the course of a month. So if oats are your favorite, after your 3 to 6 month purge of grains, then you're going to have a small serving of oats 3 times a week for a month. Keep a diary very closely of the symptoms that you were having before you went grain-free. And I always suggest a diary. That way you can tell, I do actually feel much better on this diet, but I miss my oats. Okay, after 3 to 6 months, add a small amount of that grain into your life a few times a week. If your symptoms start to come back, I'm here to tell you, don't do that grain unless you want to be sick again. You can always, it's not my butt that hurts. You can always do whatever you want to do. But if you're tired of feeling ill and you notice your favorite food is making you ill, it's time to make a different food your favorite, if you know what I'm saying.